Hi, this is Charting Man Dan of TheChartGuys.com, home of technical analysis education. Click the link for a free week trial, no credit card required, and gain access to our multiple live broadcasts daily, community chat room, educational videos, nightly watch lists, and more. Invest in your education and future and join the community today. Looking at Apple on the daily, weekly, shorter term time frame, so the bulls bought the dip. We have a bit of a double bottom, 108.11, 108.05, building a base of support at that area, and we can see a close up near the high. Very clearly, Apple is still lagging behind SPY, so it is still a bear in that sense, and we have rejected from this 10-day moving average resistance now 2 days in a row. It's at 111.30, and it's continuing to drop. We clearly need to update this level at the open each day and see what the price is. Bulls now need to break above 111.72 to have our double bottom and then a higher high. There's lots of work to do to change around this trend, but the bulls do have hope because the weekly time frame is a bullish reversal candlestick forming, holding the 100-week support of 109.67. And if we were to see a green week next week on Apple, bulls would be looking good again, continuing the uptrend that we have been in since the end of June, really since the start of May. So we need to see a break of the 10-day moving average resistance, a break of 111.72, and for Apple bulls to start catching up to the overall S&P 500, because as of right now, they are certainly laggards. They were about 2% behind all day today following that move. Let's look at the 5-minute time frame for some trade opportunities. A dump right out of the gate. We did not see that in the S&P 500, so that right there let us know that Apple was weaker, and then we formed a higher low. Rejected from the 200 period 5-minute resistance, pulled back, rejected again, higher low, lower high, higher low. Then when we broke above the 200 period resistance, that's a day trade signal right there. And you don't have to be forcing trades if you are day trading. You can be scouting around, waiting for the trades to come to you. There are so many tickers. All you have to do is follow a few of them. And this trade alone, if you were playing Apple calls that expire Wednesday or Friday. Not sure if Apple has Wednesday calls. I know SPY does these days, but either way, if you're playing weekly calls on Apple, this trade entering once this 200 period resistance becomes support, that right there can make your day if it's done with enough capital, and with options, it doesn't even have to be that significant. So be patient. If you didn't get the bear move on the dump, which I don't like trading in the first 15 minutes, I like to let things settle down, but just waiting for the pattern to play out and a clear bull break leading to some nice upside. A little bit of an end-of-day sell-off, not significant, and we find ourselves in a channel on the hourly now of 110.38 support and 112.72 resistance. The bulls are going to want to break bullish and turn all hourly moving averages into support. We haven't had this 200 period hourly moving average as support since back on October 25th, and that was before the pullback really started. So that's a very key level. Update that 200 hour. Keep an eye on that resistance. And along with that 10-day moving average, I appreciate you watching. We'll see if the bulls get any continuation to the upside tomorrow. Must turn the 10-day into support. See you then.